Okay guys, we're going for the trophy where you must not get hit by the exhaust fuel. Just try your best to keep an eye on the things and not stand and wipe this fan. That's called a chevron, or these yellow areas. You can get hit by your enemies, but don't get hit by the exhaust.
One's forward. Oh boy, this is not quite going as planned. Oh yeah, I just remembered that we have cannons.
There you go, so go avoid them. Now I would have done this the last game, but I leveled up right. Excuse me. In the middle of this, so I didn't get hit by it. Technically, I did touch it.
Bad guys, wouldn't it be nice to finally win for a change?
And it's just proven this thing has no pattern because last time I went from the far right to the far left.
You Skylanders are actually pretty good. Would anybody ever tell you that?
But your enemies can get taken down by it, so it's a useful bit.
The more, the merrier.
At least we stay in the middle, aren't you, Mel?
Until the rocket things start coming down, the little red markers, I've got to stand in the same spot.
Fair enough.
Oh boy! Whoopsie daisy!
Stage 3, fast stage.
I am sending out waves of enemies and trying to blast you with a cannon. Those all seem like good things, so maybe I just need to do them some more.
This is where the chaos cannons start to fire more. Cannons.
Careful, bad guys! You're not supposed to get shot! I'm your wingman. Okay. I think I finally have this figured out. To defeat
If you're going to level up, guys, try and level up in the middle ground where you're not going to get touched by the exhaust.
I just think a much cooler name.
So here's where Fret Pack comes in. But again, once again, really cool because he can get hit by the flames as well. So really just keep an eye on the exhaust. So you can get hit by him, that's fine.
The slower, the merrier.
Spaghettios!
The slower, the merrier. Whoa, boy!
Threat Pack defeated.
I didn't get hit.
Don't think so. We'll find out.
Because it then went and I thought, oh no.
Or he trapped him, so just get a bounty for it.
That was an excellent display of arena combat skills. And now that we have acquired the rocket from the trolls, we can take it all the way up to the Sky Highlands. Gonna be a real hoot.
There you go, exhaust all possibilities. There's a trophy. There's a one pop-up, but there we go, you got it.
It's one of the finer things in life, compadre. Right up there with playing ping pong or eating enchiladas.
You like enchiladas too?
I've got a mouth, don't I?